Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter Rice Krispies easy guide. Start by melting butter and peanut butter together until smooth, then stir in marshmallows until fully melted. Remove from heat, fold in Rice Krispies gently to coat evenly. Press mixture into a lined pan using a buttered spatula, chill until set, then slice into bars and serve warm or cooled for best texture. Let's talk ingredients you will need for perfect peanut butter Rice Krispies bars. Gather 3 tablespoons butter, 1 cup creamy peanut butter, 6 cups mini marshmallows, and 6 cups Rice Krispies cereal. Optionally add vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, or chocolate drizzle for topping. Measure ingredients before heating to keep timing smooth and avoid burning marshmallows, then prep a lined pan so you can press the mixture while still warm. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I used, perfect for storing cut bars or leftovers, and they stack nicely in a fridge. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set. Thanks for the support, I appreciate it. Now let's get back to the video. Now follow simple steps to make the bars without stress or mess. Melt butter and peanut butter together over low heat, then stir in marshmallows until smooth. Remove from heat, fold in Rice Krispies evenly, and press into a lined pan using a buttered spatula or wax paper. Chill for 30 minutes, cut into squares, and store in an airtight container to keep them fresh and chewy for snacking today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.